It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 17th of April. I'm James Spann. Got a few scattered showers and storms around today. A better chance of widespread rain, more than likely at some point this weekend. Let's check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view, kind of a moist, muggy air mass across the deep south. The surface boundary is just north of the state. And we have scattered showers and storms. That's the visible satellite view. In some spots, the sun is shining. In some spots, it's raining, much like an afternoon in June, July, or August in the summertime. That was the radar at 2:40. Had some decent storms west of Tuscaloosa. A few showers near the Georgia border and a few up in the Tennessee Valley. But for a lot of places, it's not raining. Your typical hit-and-miss random pattern of scattered showers and storms. Away from the showers, temperatures are close to 80. It's 81 in Birmingham. But Gadsden, they've cooled down to 70 thanks to a passing rain shower earlier today. And again, colder air building over Canada. We'll start to feel that Sunday and early next week with temperatures going below average here. There's the watch warning map this afternoon. Very quiet around the nation. A chance of a few severe storms across the western high plains. Later today and tonight, a marginal risk of severe weather there. Also a marginal risk over the southern tip of Texas. And around here, you see the green. That means there could be some thunder, but no severe weather expected. Tomorrow, a marginal risk across the Corn Belt. And again here, there could be a few widely scattered showers or storms, but probably not very many. And certainly no chance of any severe weather. And Wednesday, day 3, a risk of severe weather from Kansas up to near Chicago. Rain for the next 7 days. Looking pretty good here. We could use some rain. Keep in mind we have gone 12 consecutive days without measurable rain. And this is suggesting for the next 7 days we could see rain amounts exceeding 2 inches over the northern third of the state with lighter amounts on down to the south. And again, the weekend event looks like a pretty good rain producer. So here we go, model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. And again, the main westerlies are north of here. Little weakness in the ridge, and again, there could be a few scattered showers and storms, but probably not very many. This is the high-res NAM, valid at 4 o'clock, and you can see much of the state rain-free. This is suggesting the better chance of any showers and storms near the Tennessee state line. We'll still mention widely scattered showers, but I think a decent part of the day will be dry, cloudy at times. Much like today, the high will be around 80. This is Wednesday. The ridge begins to strengthen. And again, I guess you can't rule out the chance of a shower. This is the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock Wednesday, showing a few widely scattered showers on the eastern side of the state. For now, we'll just say a small chance of a shower, and the high Wednesday will be in the low 80s in most spots. Thursday, the ridge should be stronger despite the fact that there's a surface low near Grand Rapids, Michigan. I think the day will be dry and warm with mid-80s. Friday, got a cold front dropping in from the north that could kick off a few scattered showers and storms Friday afternoon or Friday evening. But again, I'm not convinced it will be a really big widespread rain event. The high Friday around 80. Now Saturday, a new storm forms west of the state. A surface low is over Arkansas, 1,010 millibars. And we could see some rain during the day Saturday, but the main band of rain and storms will likely arrive Saturday night. This is 1 a.m. Sunday, just after midnight Saturday night. Surface low deepens, 1,008 millibars, near Jackson, Tennessee, with a trailing cold front down to about Houston. And that looks fairly wet and fairly stormy. This is the instability at 1 a.m. Sunday, just after midnight Saturday night. And again, those instabilities aren't that overwhelming for late April, but that might be supportive of some strong, maybe severe storms. It is still too early to determine if we'll have a risk of severe weather with this feature, but just something to watch. And then Sunday at noon, the surface low is over eastern Kentucky, and showers should begin to wind down. And again, I think the main window for rain now will say from maybe noon Saturday until 10 a.m. Sunday, somewhere along in that time frame. And we can narrow this down once we get closer to the weekend, but maybe the stronger storms due in here Saturday night. Then let's go to Monday. It's a week from today, Monday the 24th. Nice troughing on the East Coast. A cool, dry air mass settling in here in the wake of that departing storm. Look at the anomalies. Temperatures are coming down. We probably will start the day in the 40s Monday morning, the high in the low 70s. And Sunday, we could be in the 60s all day. But nice to see those shades of blue. Here's the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, April 27th, troughing back in the northwestern states. And again, that looks dry, but Maybe potential for a storm system soon after that with a surface low developing over the Great Plains. Numbers coming off the GFS. Low 80s later this week, but hey, look at Sunday. The high dropping to 65 and lows in the 40s on Monday and Tuesday morning. A little late season cold snap there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.